Hi guys, it's Sandy here, and today I'm doing a complete beginner's guide to a full Korean skincare routine. I'm trying to make this video as short and factual and simplistic as possible. If you're interested in a Korean skincare routine but don't know where to start, I think this video will be really helpful. So with a Korean skincare routine, double cleansing is often used. Now what that means is first starting off with an oil-based cleanser, and popular options are the Vanilla Co Zero cleansing balms or the Hamish cleansing balms, but I personally use this Body Shop Chamomile cleansing balm. I only use an oil cleanser to remove makeup, and as the name suggests, an oil-based cleanser removes any dirt and oil-based impurities trapped on your skin. After an oil-based cleanser, you want to follow in with a water-based cleanser to remove your sweat, dirt and water-based impurities, but also to remove any ickiness and stickiness from using a oil-based cleanser, because that's honestly why I use a water-based cleanser. Personally, I use the Som by Me 30 Days Miracle Cleansing Bar. I absolutely love it. It smells herbal and I really feel like it's cleansing my skin. But I've also been using this Perfect Complexion Pond's face wash for a while, and this helps even out your skin tone. It has quite a bit of vitamin B in here, which will help fading scars and evening out my skin complex. Only problem, it is a bit drying. Your foam-based cleansers also fall into this category, such as your Cetaphil cleansers. That isn't K-beauty, but I'm sure most of you are aware that's brilliant facial washes. The third step in your routine is an exfoliator. Now, you only want to use an exfoliator once or maybe twice a week. This is to remove the dead skin sitting on your face, and you'll find your skin having a nice bright glow after doing this. Over exfoliation is quite dangerous because you're starting to strip away your skin's natural barriers and oils and protection, and you might find yourself getting more breakouts. A popular K-beauty option for an exfoliator are the Neogen cleansing gauze pads. I've heard those are brilliant, but I've never personally used them because they're really expensive. I use this Freeman Apple cider and vinegar cleansing mask. This thing really helps tone your skin as well, and I really notice a nice bright glow after I've used it. With your exfoliators, Korean skincare often uses chemical exfoliants, so your AHAs or BHAs, which I'm sure you've heard of, but I won't get into detail for the sake of this video. Or you can use a physical exfoliator, which can be quite tricky and dangerous if you pick the wrong one, because you can easily damage your skin with physical granules, so really be careful. This is a physical exfoliator, but it is gentle. Your fourth step is your toner. Now, after doing all this cleansing on your face, your skin's pH is going to be a bit whack, and you need to bring it back to 4.7 to 5.7 plus minus, give or take, in that range. Toning your skin also preps your skin for the rest of your Korean skincare routine. So if you are starting a Korean skincare routine, I would really suggest starting with a toner. A lot of the K-beauty toners aim to treat other skincare problems and not just tone and prep your skin. Personally, I use this Benton Cosmetics Aloe toner. If you ever see I have a full-size K-beauty product, you must know that I really love and trust this product, because the full sizes are often on the pricey side of life. This toner has aloe, snail filtrate, hyaluronic acid, beta-glucans, and a bit of BHA or beta-hydroxy acid. So it's also doing a bit of gentle cleansing when you use it. On days when I feel my skin is a little over exfoliated and cleansed, I'll just put a bit of toner in my palm and pat it all over my face. Pat, don't rub. Patting helps with absorption. On other days when I want to do a bit of cleansing, I'll put some on a cotton pad, and I use this finger cot pad. I'm just going to put a bit on here and just gently swipe all over my face. I don't know if you can see this, but there is just a bit of brown. After a toner, you want to go in and use an essence. I personally use this Cosrx 96% Snail Mucin. Now, this thing doesn't really help fade hyperpigmentation, but it is incredible for locking in moisture and giving your skin a healthy glow. And let me tell you, when I stop using this thing, my skin feels it. Your essence is really there to lock in moisture and keep your skin hydrated, because you really want well hydrated skin for a supple, plump and refreshed look. After your essence, you want to apply a serum. Now, your serum is a highly concentrated form of active ingredients, usually in a type of oil. This is to treat your specific skin problems. So, do you have hyperpigmentation and scarring that you want to treat? Consider getting a vitamin C serum or something with niacinamide. Do you have incredibly dry skin? Then maybe you want to use some serum with a type of hyaluronic acid. I personally use this by Mi 30-day Miracle Serum with a really high concentration of tea tree extract and centella. So this helps reduce redness, inflammation while treating my acne, scarring. For the purpose of this video, I'm not going to put on my essence or serum because I'm going to be using the next step in a Korean skincare routine, which is your sheet mask. So you only want to use your sheet masks after you've exfoliated and toned. You can use your essence and serum, but I feel like it's a bit too heavy. And this is the Pure Nature sheet mask with tea tree extract, and I received this from Mart. Why it's nice to use a sheet mask once a week is because it not only aims to specifically treat whatever sort of problem you have on your skin, depending on the type of mask that you get, but it really helps absorption of the serum in the mask. Usually when you put on your normal facial serums, you're losing quite a bit to evaporation, but this really locks in that moisture and helps those active ingredients absorb on your skin while the mask is sitting on it. I personally only use Korean sheet masks. Fun fact, these sheet masks were originally developed in Korea and Japan and are widely used across Asia, and have only recently trickled down for use in the Western world. These are straight from the source. Ooh, look at me opening that like, okay, it's skew, never mind. I was going to say I opened it like a pro. Ooh, this smells nice. It smells like hair gel. I love the smell of hair gel. It's cold. It's cold. Now we're going to let this vibe on my skin for 20 minutes. So I'm sure you guys with acne are familiar with tea tree. So you want to use something like this if you do have, some breakouts, your skin is red, blotchy, inflamed. Tea tree will help reduce that inflammation, but also help kill any acne and pimple causing bacteria. And there we go, look at all of this essence, and I will just go ahead and use this later on with one of my compressed facial masks. So look at this, from one packet I'm getting at least 2 or 3 sheet masks. Okay, now I'm just gonna take this off and put this back where it came from. Dispose of that. Just pat in that leftover serum. Next, you want to put your eye cream, and I use this vitamin E eye cream from the Body Shop. There's a whole debate on whether eye cream is just overpriced moisturizer. I think I'll leave that up to you to believe. If you do have a really dry under eye area, I think eye cream specifically can be quite helpful, but could you just use a moisturizer? But you also do get some eye creams that claim to treat things like hyperpigmentation, so that's something to consider if you are looking to get an eye cream. Step 9, we have a moisturizer. So currently I use this some by Me 30-day Miracle Cream, and this just has a high concentration of tea tree and centella, just like the serum, as well as a bunch of other helpful plant extracts to help fade my acne scars. Honestly, there's a bunch of different moisturizers, and you just need to pick one with ingredients that suit your skin need. Do you have really dry skin? Do you have really oily skin? Do you want to treat scarring? And your final, and if not most important step for your day routine is your sunscreen. Now, I've dedicated a whole video to this Biore Watery Essence SPF 50 PA+++ and plus, but you really want to protect your skin in the long run, and facial sunscreen is the way to go. I think K-Beauty and J-Beauty ranges honestly have some of the most amazing facial sunscreens. And this is just non-greasy, doesn't leave your skin with a white cast, and just protects your skin for a good couple of hours. So hopefully this is the starting point and you can research further. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment and share this video. Don't forget to follow my socials, which will be linked down below in the description, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.